The U.S. Supreme Court makes a historic civil rights ruling.
The 6-3 decision guarantees equal rights for LGBTQ plus people in the workplace. Inez de la Cuetara has more from Washington.
It's being hailed as the most consequential Supreme Court decision since same-sex marriage was legalized 5 years ago. The U.S. Supreme Court ruling today that LGBT Americans are covered by the same anti-discrimination laws that protect their heterosexual colleagues in the workplace, meaning they cannot be fired or discriminated against simply because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. Individuals involved in the case include Gerald Bostock, a child welfare services coordinator in Georgia, who says he was fired after he joined a gay softball league. Donald Zarda, a skydiving instructor who was fired after telling a customer he was gay. And Amy Stevens, a transgender woman who lost her job as a funeral director after she revealed her plan to transition.
I'm overwhelmed with emotion and gratitude. And I look forward to my next step.
The landmark ruling was a 6-3 decision, with the court's 4 liberal justices being joined by conservative Chief Justice John Roberts and the majority opinion written by another conservative, Neil Gorsuch. Gorsuch citing the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which was meant to address the problems of race and gender discrimination, writing, "Only the written word is the law, and all persons are entitled to its benefits."
There was deep anxiety among the 11 million LGBT Americans in this country about whether or not this court would still stand by gay rights after Anthony Kennedy left the court. And today, it has dramatically changed that landscape.
Illinois lawmakers applaud the decision, but say the ruling doesn't mean the work is done. Senator Dick Durbin said, quote, "As a next step, in order to address gaps that still exist in federal civil rights laws and strengthen protections for LGBTQ Americans, the Senate should finally bring the House-passed Equality Act to the floor." Senator Tammy Duckworth added, quote, "Though our work is far from over, today's decision has given us another reason to celebrate our truest, most authentic selves during Pride Month."